Hello guys and welcome back. So today we have the Photry Mini Wireless Lavalier Microphone. This works for a total of 80 hours. It's compatible with PC, tablets, phones, and cameras. It's great for live streaming and conference calls. So right here we have the mini microphone. This is a 7-gram mini microphone. The dimensions are 4.5 by 1.6 by 0.8 centimeter. The transmission distance is up to 165 feet with no obstacles. Auto pairing and plug-in use. The microphone receiver will automatically pair after power is on. You've got the wireless microphone indicator, multifunction button, and then you have the receiver. Alright, so let's go open up the package. So right here it says it's small and beautiful, long-lasting battery, no delay, and HD recording. This is omnidirectional polar pattern, so it picks up all directions. And right here is the user manual. This just tells you a little bit about it. It does have environmental noise reduction algorithm, 360 degrees, built-in battery, condenser pickup, algorithm noise reduction. This works up to 80 hours with low consumption. So here is your receiver and your microphone. But first off, we're going to go ahead and try to take this out. Alright, so let's get to the bottom of the package contents. So this is what the microphone and the receiver looks like. So we're just going to put that aside and get into the contents in the bottom. So in this bag, you will get a Type-C charging plug to your computer. You'll get two 3.5 millimeter plugs. So your TRS to TRS, so PC, camera, or speaker. TRS to TRS, which is cell phone and tablet. You got your Type-C to Type-C, so cell phone to tablet. And your Type-C to USB, which is for PCs and laptops. And this is your clip for your receiver. It is magnetized, so it just magnetically sticks to your receiver. So this is the clip that you'll click on the back of your receiver, and you'll clip it onto your shirt. And then you get a nice little travel bag. You just put all your wireless microphones and receivers and your wires in here for when you're out and about doing some video blogging. So we're just going to put this back in and dip into the microphone itself. So this wireless microphone system does not have a built-in speaker, so you will need external audio equipment for sound output, such as a smartphone, computer, or camera to amplify it. This has a long distance, so the effective transmission distance of the wireless microphone can be up to 50 meters without obstacles. 10 meters if there is a small obstacle. It is a good choice for long distance video shooting. So when you're out and about, you can go up to 50 meters if there's nothing in between. 10 meters if there's some small obstacles. You can see right here is the microphone itself. It's very small and sleek. This is omnidirectional. So basically it will pick either way on any side. The wireless microphone will collect your sound from all angles. You do not need to worry about if it collects your sound when you're just behind it. So here's the receiver. And like I said, the little clip on the back will clip onto here. It is magnetized, so it'll just clip on. And then right here on the side, you have your Type-C charging. You got your 3.5 millimeter jack. You've got your power button. And right here at the front, you have these little indicator lights that basically charges your microphone. So you'll take your microphone, you'll stick it in here just like this. You'll close it up, and it will actually charge the microphone itself. So these are the light indicators letting you know how charged the microphone is itself. And it does that by, if you look at these little metal buttons at the bottom, it connects to the metal buttons inside the receiver to charge it up. So this microphone is an environmental noise reduction. There's a built-in intelligent environmental noise reduction algorithm to restore sounds and quality, fully automatic frequency, hoping technology, and ultra low delay, suitable for both recording and sound reinforcements. So now we're going to stick the little clip on the back. You can see that it just clips on here just like that. It is magnetized and it just clips on here like that. Easy to remove, easy to add on. So you can see this is very tiny. It does charge inside the base itself. I would definitely recommend checking this one out if you're looking for a microphone to do your vlogging videos or whatever videos you like to do and don't want to have a big bulky microphone. I would definitely check this one out. This one is a really nice one. It is just basically plug and play. They do have options for your cell phone, for your tablet, for your computer, whichever device you like to use. This does come with the plugins, also a carrying bag, so it's easy for you to take if you're out and about. I would definitely go ahead and check this one out. This one is one that you might like.